Hello everybody. Um, Here I will try to show you the AC generator, or how does the AC generator work. So what do we need, guys? We need voltmeter, we need this kind of system. So here, what do I have? Here I have a coil, and inside right here I have a magnet, strong magnet. You can see, guys, that I can rotate the magnet inside. So rotating the magnet inside can change the magnetic field, changing the magnetic field with respect to time, so that will give me voltage. So that's great. We will try to see that. So I will try to connect the voltmeter. I will keep it here, so you can see this number. I will adjust it to be 200 millivolt DC, and then connect the voltmeter across the generator, and then try to rotate it. Just rotate it and see what will happen here. So by rotating the magnet inside, so I will stop rotating that, and you will see that we have 0 voltage here. But if I continue to rotate the magnet inside, you can see that we have like around 13 millivolt. 13 millivolt. You will have the same result if you try to rotate that maybe with a drill, for example. So you will have the same result. I will try to show you that. So maybe we can replace the places for the generator and the voltmeter like this. Okay, and then maybe we can try to use drill here, and it will show you what will happen if we rotate this like very fast. Yeah, we can see voltage here, which is great, and that's indicator for for having voltage from this generator right here. But you can see that it is not stable. Even if we try to rotate it very fast, so it won't be stable. But I will show you that, guys. So we'll have the drill. Maybe I can fix the drill right here. So this is kind of good connection, and then try to rotate it slowly. You can see that there is a voltage, but the voltage is not stable. It's not stable, so there is a voltage, but the voltage, guys, is not stable. But we can see that there is a voltage if I rotate this magnet inside this coil. So yeah, that's great. So this is one thing that I would like to show you guys, and then I can move to the next step. So we are done with this simple, or the toy. This is a toy generator, guys. So this is a toy generator, just to show you that, just to show you guys, if we try to rotate the magnetic field here inside this coil, so that will produce voltage or induced electromotive force. And now guys, I have like more professional examples. So what I have here, I have electric motors. Actually the electric motor guys that we have, so this is from my son's toy. I got that from my son's toy, so it works. I have another one guys from another toy. So, and yeah, I will try to show you guys that this electric motor can work as electric generator as well. So what we will do, if we try to look at inside, so we'll have a magnet and we will have a coil. So magnet and coil, this is the principal idea of making the electric motor or the electric generator. So I will try to rotate them. That means I will rotate coil inside a magnetic field, so that will produce voltage from here. We will see that. And also if you try to provide this with a voltage, so this motor will work. But what we will do, we will reverse this process. We will try to rotate the electric motor and receive electricity from here, or induced electromotive force. So what I will do, so I will try to connect the power supply, the voltmeter, as you can see. So this is the voltmeter, connect it here. So there is no voltage. So there is no voltage. I will try to rotate it. If I rotate it, you can see that we have a voltage. I will stop. Rotate it. But the range is not correct. Maybe I need to go to 2 volt. If I go to 2 volt and try to rotate it, you can see how much voltage do we have. Yeah, like around 0.2 volt. What will happen if I connect the drill here and try to rotate it like too fast? So what will happen if I do that? So we'll try to connect that like this and then try to rotate it and see what will happen. So like around, so we have around, around 1 volt. So we have around 1 volt guys. So we got around 1 volt. We got around 1 volt guys from this motor right here as induced electromotive force. Now I will change to this one. So this is smaller one, and see what will happen. So I will try to connect it here. And after I connect it here, I will connect this to the drill and then try to rotate it too fast. So you can see here guys that we have like around 0.559. So this is the max voltage that you can receive from this electric generator. So this is what you can get. There are large motors. So the large motors guys maybe can produce like higher electromotive force, but these are like very small electric motors. So when we use them as generators, so they won't produce that high voltage. So yeah, that's great. And So if we come here again to this simple generator, guys, and connect it to the voltmeter and go back again to 200 millivolt, so you can see that we can produce some electromotive force, guys, just by moving this magnet inside this coil. Increasing the number of loops, of course, will affect the process. So if we increased the number of loops, so that will increase the induced electromotive force, and also if we try to use like stronger magnet, so that will affect as well, guys. You can rotate the magnet inside a coil, or you can rotate the coil around the magnet, so that that works. So both of the ideas work. So I showed you guys those two ideas, and also I would like, guys, to show you the electric motor. So here in this simple electric motor, guys, what I did, I used like a huge number of strong magnet. I made this loop right here a little bit wider, so that can help having electric motor. Oh, it works even by touching this. Yeah, so you can see now that the electric motor is rotating too fast, and that is great. So it's rotating too fast. So as you can see right here, so this is a good idea. I just need to push it a little bit. Yeah, so it will work again too fast. So this is great. Now, guys, we have the two ideas. We have the electric motor, we have the electric generator right here, and also we have kind of simple motors. So these are like two examples that we can use as electric motor, because they are ready, and at the same time we can use them as generator. So just rotate this side from here, so you will have induced electromotive force from the other side. Or rotate this side from here, you will receive electromotive force from the other side. Yeah, and there are larger motors, but I don't have one. So yeah, so I don't have large motors. So if we have large motors, so we can use it just to double check what is the electromotive force. So this is everything for today. Thank you so much, guys, and yeah, see you next time, guys. Thank you.